On June 30th, 1764, in the French province of Gevaudan, a 14-year-old girl was calmly tending sheep when suddenly a huge beast appeared before her. Later, the local residents found her dead body with a torn throat. Then, on August 8th, another victim was found, and in September, 5 more people were killed. All the bodies showed signs of an attack by some kind of animal. In general, it was hard to surprise French peasants with such stories. Shepherds often died from attacks by wolves and bears while tending sheep. They could only defend themselves with makeshift weapons like sticks, since firearms were not as widespread as they are today. At first, the discovery of peasant corpses in the pastures didn't surprise anyone. Everyone thought it was just wild wolf attacks, but the killings continued. Local farmers then began to form groups to search the forests and fields. Eventually, they concluded that it wasn't a pack of wolves, but some enormous beast to blame. According to accounts, it looked like an ordinary wolf, but was several times larger. Its chest was broad, its body long, its snout elongated, and its eyes fiery. The creature was said to be bulletproof, could run on water, and even talk. It was also reported to walk on its hind legs and crush human skulls with a single bite. Many began to believe that it was a werewolf or a witch. To try to remedy the situation, local officials organized a hunt with the help of the military. For several weeks, 50 soldiers, along with hunters and peasants, were unable to catch the beast. At one point, they managed to track it, but the beast sensed danger and escaped into the depths of the forest. Over 100 ordinary wolves were killed, but that enormous beast was never caught. By that time, newspapers all across France had begun publishing articles about the beast of Gevaudan, which was devouring peasants. These newspapers also mentioned that the government was failing to capture the beast and was partly responsible for the deaths of innocent people. In response, King Louis personally took charge of the situation and hired hunters from Normandy, who assured him they would kill the beast. However, they also failed to do so. Then, Louis sent his personal general to Gevaudan with several regiments of soldiers. According to reports, they eventually found the beast, which they initially mistook for a giant donkey. They shot it several times in the head and finally killed the animal. Gevaudan finally breathed a sigh of relief, as no more peasants were being devoured. However, 2 months later, the killings resumed. The situation was eventually resolved by a French forester's father, who shot a massive wolf with a silver bullet. The carcass of the enormous animal was meant to be shown to King Louis, but it smelled so bad that they decided to simply bury it. After this, various legends began to spread, claiming that the man who killed the beast of Gevaudan was actually the owner of the wolf. His son, the forester, was a loner who trained animals. And according to the peasants, human boot prints were also found at the sites of the killings. Unfortunately, we may never know the real truth. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!